Welcome. In front of me is a POCO X3 Pro, and today I'll show you how to enable the power saving mode. To get started, what you need to do is pull down the notification panel and look for the toggle. And for me it's on the second page right here in the corner, battery saver. And once you tap on it, it will automatically enable itself. And you can see it based on the color that has been added to the battery level. As you can see, it's kind of like orangish right now. So that is just so you are aware that it is in power saving mode right now. Now additionally, apart from it changing your battery color, it will do a couple things in the background which you might not be aware of. So when you put the device into sleep like this, which is basically meaning that it's locked and not being used at the moment, after a couple of minutes it considers itself to be asleep, and thus it will disconnect you from Wi-Fi and mobile data. So if you have any apps that would require internet connections, they won't give you any updates till you interact with the device again. Interact meaning unlock it or just wake it up. At that moment, once you wake it up, it will reconnect to internet and give you whatever updates it was lacking, and based on the fact that it didn't have internet connection at that moment before. So yeah, if you have problems with notifications not arriving to you, notifications that will require internet, that is the reason. And furthermore, apart from you being able to enable the battery saver to extend your battery, you can do additional things apart from the toggle itself here to extend your battery life. So things like disabling either mobile data or Wi-Fi and keeping just one or the other will save you battery. Disabling, let's see, there we go, disabling NFC, Bluetooth, and if you're using something like hotspot, you can also disable that. Basically any kind of additional things that you don't need and that are toggled on, if you turn them off, it will give you a little bit of battery. But the thing that will give you the most amount of battery will be dropping your brightness. Now dropping it halfway will yield you several hours of extra battery life, so yeah, it's a fairly nice way to actually extend your battery life. But that being said, once you're done with the power saving mode, you can simply toggle it off by tapping on it and everything will go back to normal. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.